Dark Hollow. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun won't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with you on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, carry me far on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be at home knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, carry me far on down